Hi, and thank you for joining us today on our YouTube channel. My name is Madison. I'm the director of Peace Restore. We're a nonprofit that works with women that have been through various difficult life experiences, and we do focus on the areas of trauma, abuse, and grief. If you would like to know more about Peace Restore or the many services that we provide, you can go to our website at peacerestore.net. On there, you can send us an email, and you can also reach us by calling us directly. We'll be happy to talk to you whichever way you choose to reach out. You can also schedule to meet with us virtually or in person on our website for counseling or support. We're happy, no matter where you're at, to meet with you. You do not have to be here local in Indiana. You can be anywhere. And through the gift of technology, we can help. So please don't hesitate to reach out to us. Again, our website is peacerestore.net. So if you haven't started subscribing to our channel here on YouTube, please do so. And if you have, just make sure that you have hit the notify button so that way when we do put new videos up, you'll be notified and you'll get notification in your email or on your phone that we are producing new videos. And we will be putting out about one video a week right now, and we focus on one topic a month. So this last month, we did the topic of stress. And I think most of us can relate to the topic of stress and stress management. It's something that we all need help with time and time again. And then in the month previous, we did the topic of encouragement. But this month, we're jumping into the topic of generosity. So you might be wondering, how in the world does generosity tie into my mental health? So before we jump into all of that, I'd like to define for you generosity. You probably will, I know what it means to be generous. And you might even be a generous person. But I'd like to suggest that generosity is a result of the overflow of thankfulness. So being thankful is this valuable process which allows us to see beyond our current circumstances. It helps us to find hope and encouragement. A few years ago, there was a book written by Ann Boston titled 1,000 Gifts. In this book, she challenged you to find the benefit or to find the small gifts in everyday life, whether it's looking out the window and you hear birds chirping, or it's seeing a rainbow that day, or maybe it's a neighbor who just stops by for a cup of coffee. Whatever it may be in those moments, they're gifts that we're given, and we forget to stop and be thankful for those. So there's a value in that. As we are learning to be thankful, it also, like I said, helps us to find hope and encouragement in our circumstances. Whereas generosity is a gift that we give to others. Whether we are giving of our time, our talent, or our treasures, generosity is this beautiful gift that we give to those that are receiving. Did you know that generosity is been found to be of a greater benefit to the benefactor or the giver as opposed to the one who's either receiving? If you've ever given anything, you probably had that feeling where after you give the gift, and sometimes you feel better than maybe the person who received the gift. Because there's a power in being able to use that gift of giving for others. And again, that's whether it's your time, your talent, your treasure. You can give many things. So generosity is this tool that we can put into practice. And if we use this tool well, there's benefits to it. Just like if we eat healthy or we get a lot of exercise and practice good sleeping practices, it will increase the longevity of our life. Well, did you know that generosity will do the same thing? That if you practice generosity on a regular basis, the studies have shown that you can also increase your life by that practice. Generosity improves not only the longevity of our life, but it increases our mental health and our physical health. Because when we are generous, it creates us or causes us to focus on others. It also reduces our stress level. Because we're focusing on others, It allows us to put our focus on more than just those negative self-talk that we have over our head, or the things that tell us that we're just not good enough. Generosity allows us to see others through a new lens, teaching us compassion and action. Boy, that's a good thing that we can all use in our life, is compassion and action, is to be able to put feet to the things that we want to see change in. Generosity moves the focus from ourself to others. Instead of focusing on our negative self-talk, it causes us to look outward. Generosity is a natural builder for self and others. Generosity is this building block that we can use to create positive change in ourselves and for others. So I'm going to encourage you over the next few days, weeks, or maybe months, that you would start integrating the practice of generosity into your life. And remember that as you practice generosity, it creates positive change for yourself, but it also is this tool that creates building blocks, and to where we can build bridges and to build connection and hope for others. So again, I hope you enjoy the videos that we're producing over the next few weeks. We're going to share with you a little bit more about generosity and the benefits of generosity. And we hope that you will follow us on our YouTube page here, and we'll just share these videos out. And again, if you would like more information about Peace Restored, we're going to link some things for you down in our description below. And we'll look forward to seeing you next time here on our channel. Have a blessed day.